This is Just Tool Basics, and today we're talking about cable cutters. Hello everyone, welcome to Just Tool Basics. Today's topic is cable cutters, which are cutters for larger wires or bundled wires, multi-wire cables. Pretty simple, center hinge, hardened jaws / cutters, insulated. You can buy kinds that have thicker insulation in case you're dealing with potentially live wires. Not something I personally care to engage in, so I am fine with the normal insulation. And what these are for is cutting wire like this, where if you've ever had to deal with these bundled cables, in this case it's a triple 6 gauge with a ground, looks like a 12 gauge ground. Cutting through this with only using diagonal cutters or normal wire cutters, you generally have to strip off a bit, cut down the jacketing, pull that back, and then cut each individual wire, because trying to cut through all of this with a set of diagonal cutters it's embarrassingly impossible. I'm not even gonna bother letting you watch me struggle. So to deal with that, these curved jaws kind of exert more pressure on the outer edges as they come together. So it has a bit of a shearing effect, allowing you to cut through the cable. It's still not easy, obviously, but it's a lot less work than stripping and chopping it, and it ends up looking cleaner. So, if you're looking to run this through a wall cavity, something like that, having this nice blunt, smooth edge means that you can push it through the wall cavity more easily and not have it get hung up, and you don't have to deal with packing the wires back together, wrapping them in electrical tape, all that kind of junk. So these definitely have their place. That's all we have on cable cutters. If you like this kind of content, please subscribe. Until next time, this is Just Tool Basics.